All right, another video about you don't know what you don't know. So last RV trip, we were trying to figure out why we were not getting water, hot water from our water tank when we were hooked up to shore power. We believe after getting feedback on the Soul forum, Intech forum, that we did not have the hot water tank completely filled up before possibly we turned on the hot water heater element. So I don't know if that's really the case, but it seems to be the most likely. We still were able to use hot water using our propane. So a lot of folks that we reached out to on the forum said, hey, there's a little toggle switch that you just have. And I know that that toggle switch was located right up in there somewhere. But we do not have a simple toggle switch to reset. So I am going to take out the water heater element that heats the water to check that out. Hopefully that is going to work for us. But again, you just don't know what you don't know. So originally, I went out and I did purchase a large socket to go with the rest of my socket assembly. 1.5 inch is what is needed to take this heating element out, but it was too thick on the walls and I could not get it to snug up inside here, up against this large piece of brass, I believe it is. So again, going back to the forum, we got more help. Thank you for everyone who helped us. We ended up getting this handy dandy tool. So it's a twofer. Again, until someone tells you, you just don't know about it. So on one end here is 1 1/16, which will go to, I forgot what this little piece is where you take it out, the anode rod, that's it. Take out the anode rod, so it's 1/16 on one end, and on the other end, it's 1.5 inches. And it will work on both of these. So an invaluable piece of equipment to have inside your rig as you go out. It does have a hole on either side that you will stick a screwdriver through for your leverage to get it out. So that's as far as I've gotten. I do have the new element right there that I'm going to put in. I've already loosened it, so I will just pull this out, show everybody. Bam, that's what it looks like. So I am going to next put this new one back in, tighten it down, hook up our electrical connections. I won't be able to test it out today because I don't have any water. We are just in an RV lot where we store it, so we don't have that kind of access. But then before our next trip, we will check that out. So I hope this helps everybody. Not everybody's got a toggle switch. This cool little tool will help you from buying multiple sockets and other crap. So good to have. All right, guys, let me know if you have any questions.